Chapter 17 of D3 Mathematics, it's about statistical averages. Statistical averages are mean, median, and mode. Mean is like typical our average, sum of everything divided by total number of elements. Median is the middle element, and mode is the most frequent one. So we have 3 questions over here in Challenge Yourself. So we start with question number 1. So this is about this is quite interesting problem, bit challenging. Let's see. So we have 4 whole numbers and their mean is given as x plus y plus 5, and the median value, middle value is x plus y, and the most frequent value is x. So how to find the 4 numbers? We have to give answer in terms of x plus x and y. So first of all, let's have a look at the mean value. So mean value is sum of all 4 numbers divided by 4. We have 4 numbers. So first, let's assume we have 4 numbers. Let's give them name A, B, C, D. Assume A is less than B is less than C is less than D. A is the minimum number and D is the maximum number. So what is the mean value? So mean is sum of all the 4 numbers divided by 4. A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 is equal to what is given to us, x plus y plus 5. We can bring 4 on other side, cross multiplication. So we will have sum of all 4 numbers. So this is equal to 4 times x plus y plus 5. So we can multiply it right away, or we can do it later. First, let's have a look at the median value. So median is x plus y. So this is the middle value. So middle value is, if we have 4 numbers, then we have 2 middle values, which are B and C. So our sequence is A, B, C, D. So these are 2 middle values. So median is going to be average of these 2. So we can calculate median as B plus C divided by 2. If we have odd total number odd, then we can find exact middle one element. If we have total number of elements are even, then there are 2 middles and we have to take their averages. Average. So B plus C over 2, this is equal to x plus y. Again, we can take 2 on the other side. So this becomes 2 times x plus y. Actually, we have got B plus C as 2x plus y. If we bring it over here, so we will have A plus D in terms of x and y. So before doing this, let's have a look at mode. So mode is most frequent number. So mode over here is given as x. So mode is most frequent number. Can we have like all distinct elements like A, B, C, D are different? If all elements are distinct, then there is no mode. So can we have all elements as x, all elements are same, one element is occurring 4 times? In that case, we will not have median as x plus y. Then it means everything is x, right? So, and suppose if A is x, B is x, C is x, and D is x. So in that case, our median value should be x plus x divided by 2, which is x, which is not the case over here. So it is x plus y. So we cannot have this case. Can we have 3 of same type like x, 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 and maybe the 4th one is D, or x, x, x can be at the end, and in the beginning we can have A. But in that case, again, the median has to be x then, but we have median different. It's x plus y. So this shows we cannot have 4 x's, we cannot have 3 x's, we cannot have 1 x. So there has to be 2 x's. So it could be like x, x, and CD, or it could be like A, B, and X, X, or can it be in the middle? A and then B is X, C is X, and then D. And we see this is not possible because then in that case, the median value has to be X. So this is not possible. So we can have mode value either in the beginning or at the end. Suppose we have this one. So in that case, A is equal to B is equal to X. we can equally take like C and D as X, but we have to start from any one place. Let's suppose A and B is equal to X. So we have found value of A, value of B in terms of X. That is required, like we have to find the numbers in terms of X and Y. If we have found B is equal to X, so over here we can find C. So value of C is, we can find from here, X plus C is equal to 2X plus 2Y. Bring X on the other side and we have got C in terms of X. So this is 2X minus X plus 2Y. We got X plus 2Y. The value of C is X plus 2Y. Now we know the value of A, we know the value of B, we know the value of C in terms of X and Y. We have to plug everything in the first equation, A plus C plus D. So value of A is X, value of B is X, value of C is X plus 2Y, and then D is unknown. We can add up everything. This is 3X plus 2Y plus D. This is equal to 4X plus 4Y plus 5 into 4 is 20. Bring all X's and Y's on one side, so we get value of D. So this is 4X. Bring 3X to right hand side is 3X. And plus 4Y minus 2Y plus 20. Keep 20 as it is. So value of D, we have got X plus 2Y plus 20. So we have got all our elements A, B, C, D in terms of X and Y. So that was the first question of challenge yourself. Let's move to next question. So our second question is again about about the mean. So we have given two equations in terms of A, B, and we have got C, D, E, F. So for these 6 numbers, we have to find the mean. So for mean, we have to add all numbers and divide by total number of numbers, how many numbers we have got. So over here we have got 6 numbers, which are like A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D, E, F. So mean is going to be sum of all of these divided by 6. So we just have to solve these two equations, sum A, B, C, D, E, F, and divide it by 6. So this is relatively easier one. Let's do it. We can, let's call it equation 1 and equation 2. We simply add them up and let's see what happens. So add 1 and 2. So if we are going to add, so add a right side into right side and left side into left side. I'm just writing on top of each other, so we will know how we are going to add these. So A plus half B, and then we have got C plus half E plus F is equal to 8 minus half B minus D. First we add them and then we will rearrange these things. So A plus, I write down alphabetically, so A plus half B plus C plus half E plus F, which is equal to 13 plus 8. We can add them up. So this is going to be 21, and then minus half B, minus half E, and minus D. D should be before, but we will arrange it again. So bring all the variables thing on the left hand side and constant thing. Constant over here is just 21, so keep it over here. So bring everything on the left side. So we got, it's going to be quite long things, many terms. So A plus half B, and minus half B also comes here. So this is plus half B, plus C, plus minus D. So we bring on the left side, it becomes plus D, plus half of E, and there's negative half of E on the right side. Bring it on the left hand side, plus half E, plus F is equal to 21. Add up the like terms, B into B and E into E. So we have got sum of all the numbers, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to 21. So mean is going to be sum of all the numbers divided by 6, which is 21 over 6. This is 3.5. So we have got mean of all these 6 numbers. We satisfy these 2 equations. That was part 2 of challenge yourself. So now we move on to part 3. And this needs a bit of reflection. We have to understand, visualize. Actually, we have to visualize the situation, what's going on over here. So over here we have seen like there are 9 students. So their mean, median, and mode is same. So their height averages. So it's 183. So its mean value is 183. Median is 183 centimeter, and mode is also 183. 183 and mode is 183. And there are some more conditions given. So 3 of the boys have a height of 183, and the tallest boy has a height of 187. So given that all of the boys are integer, there's nothing fraction height. So we have to find the least possible height of the shortest guy. So let's see, let's put it like empty spaces for which we don't know. So this is the shortest boy. We are sorting it in ascending order. And then first I'm just placing nine empty spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 9 boys. It means this should be, fifth element should be the median, right? And median value is already given 183. It has to be 183. And then there is number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9, the tallest boy, his height is given as 187. So we have to now figure out what is the value of rest of the people. So we have to find the minimum possible height for the shortest guy, minimum possible. So for minimum possible, we try to maximize the heights of all the other guys. So let's see. So it means over here we have to put the maximum heights. So can we put like all 187? That is the tallest height. We can't put it because 187 has to be just one single height. So how about 186? Can we put 186 and 186 and 186? We want to maximize all the heights, but we cannot put 186 because the median value is 183 and there are 3 people who has the height 183. So it means most frequent number is 183. No other number can have 3 occurrences. Otherwise, we will have 2 modes. So 186, we can have at most 2. Over here, we can have either 185 or 184. If we put 184, then the height will be less. So we want to maximize height for rest of the people so that the shortest guy has minimum height. So this we keep it 185. So it means there's no one or nobody of 184. And we have to put 183 here because 183 has to occur 3 times over here. And this one, so we want to maximum number below 183, which is 182. And now this is our unknown. Let's call it X. So the median height is 183. Mode is, it is occurring 3 times. That is also 183. And now the mean has to be 183 as well. For mean, we have formula, sum of all the heights divided by total number of boys, which is 9. So let's add them up. So X plus 182 plus 183. It occurs 3 times, so I can just multiply it by 3. Or just let's add them up. 183 plus we have 185 next, and there are 2 186, and then we have 187. And we have to divide all by 9. So we add these values and let's see how much is this value. So adding all of these, so x is unknown plus 1475. You can use your calculator to calculate this thing over 9. And it has to be equal to 183. So we multiply 183 by 9. So let's see what we get. 183 times 9 is 1647. So x plus 1475 is equal to 1647. Bring 1475 on other side. So x is equal to 1647 minus 1475. So value of x is equal to 1475. We get 172 centimeter. So that is the shortest possible height. To find the shortest possible height, for all other boys' height, we try to be as maximum as possible so that the mean remain 183. So that was Challenge Yourself, chapter 17.